Hey guys, it's me Ningli. Today I'll show you how to make, how to port emotes to chapter 1 season 8, which is going to be 8.51 version. I'm going to be basically answering doubts and questions, and also showing some fixes if you run into issues. So let's get into it. Okay, I will be leaving you guys on the comment section a Google document which will basically have all the links that we're going to be needing here. Now, the first thing, the website that we're going to be using to find the cosmetics is Fortnite.gg. Here you can find every single Fortnite cosmetic. So here we'll be finding the emote that we want to do. Okay. Now we go back here. The media go file, uploading all the files that we need. Okay. These are some add-ons of model, another add-on. This is for Blender, and I put the Blender version that I recommend you guys using, which is going to be 4.3. okay. You don't need any Blender knowledge to make this. Okay, it's just pretty easy. We're going to be starting with fmodel. Okay, make sure you install this fmodel.zip and you extract it, and then you just run the .x and you got it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the version, the latest version, okay, which you can change right here. Okay, I recommend you using the latest version. Okay, we just click load. Okay, and now just while we wait for that, look for an emote you want to do. Okay, you can do any emote. Okay, like any emote, but it also depends. Okay, I'll also show you guys how to do if like an emote has a loop, like an intro. I'll show you how to do the intro. Okay, so in my case I'm gonna do this emote called stock. Okay, because I want to do it. So we're going to go here. Okay, so where's this ID? We're just gonna call this is the ID of the emote. Okay, so we're gonna copy this ID. Yeah, go into fmodel, the top packages, search, and use Control V and search for the one that says BR cosmetics. This one, double click on that. I can close this now. Okay, double click on this. Okay, now here's basically what we need. Okay, first I'm going to be doing a folder. Yeah, emotes. I'm gonna make a folder right here, stock, and here I'm just gonna put all the stuff that I keep downloading and stuff. And yeah, now first thing, where's this animations, animation and animation female override. Okay, so we're gonna click on this path. Yeah, okay, so we can close that. Yeah, okay, so this is the male and this is the female animation. Okay, so right click, save animation, right click, save animation. Okay, now you just click on this and just take them both, Control X, and I just put them on my folder. Okay, you can ignore this one. Okay, just take this ones. Okay, now when we've done that, scroll down, icon, open this one, and also open wait, I think this thing is like broke or something. Give me a second. Wait, let me open it again. Okay, get this. Okay, and then the large icon too. There we go. Now just save image, and just take them both, Control and right here. Okay, we got these things. Okay, so that's good. Now we need to get the music. So how do we do that? We go into the male or female, doesn't matter, Control F and put music, click on this, wait. Okay, go here, right click, jump the package folder, and I just wait for this. Okay, we'll click this. Okay, this song does not have an intro. Okay, so I will that's good because intros are a bit hard. Okay, now once we got this. Okay, if we double click this. Okay, now yeah. Okay, and then it should be that. And yeah, okay, so this is the only thing. It's just this is the whole song. Okay, so and these are just something I will need in the future, but not right now. Okay, so this thing, double click on this. Yeah, oh wait, Also, if your file says, instead of .web, it says rada, okay, go into the Fortnite modding Discord server, okay, go into raw sources, look for rada, okay, and this, download this and just follow it. It tells you exactly how to put it. Output and then data, which is an F model. Output data. I did this already. Let me show you here, because I had it on rada. So just put this here and it will change to .web. Okay, because if you put rada, it will not play the audio. Okay. Now just right click, save, and just put it on. I'm gonna put it on my folder. There we go. Okay. Don't close F model. Okay, we just leave it like that. Okay. Now once we've done that, go back to the Go file and get Blender for 4.3. Okay, we got this Blender. After we get that, install this .zip, but don't extract it, and get this Python file. Now, also get this. Okay, you can directly open a Blender by just opening the proper Fortnite skeleton, which is what I recommend. Okay, just double click on it once you install Blender. Okay, it will open this thing. You see, this is the skeleton we're going to be using. Okay. Now, to put the plugins. Okay, I'm just gonna do it right here. Edit, preference, add-ons, and just I'm gonna get rid of them, and I'm going to well, let me try to, and then okay, never mind. Okay, just click this, install from disk, and select first this one, install from disk, and then select this one, and then they will just appear. Okay, this and this will basically show you this. For example, if you click import these and this for export, you need this for the animation. Okay. Now that we open this, we're gonna click well, first go to our folder, locate this, copy this path. Okay, save that file, import PSA skeleton anim, control, yeah. Now select this and make sure you copy it like here. Yeah, don't take the M. Now import it and wait for this to appear. Okay. If you don't see any of markers here, just click on view and disable only show selected, and it will just show all of them. Okay, what we have to do now is we're going to look for the last one. Okay, which is like this. Yeah, look for the last one. In my case is this one, which is 344, and you see where it says end, put 344. Okay, now once you're finished, just click on file, export, better FBX exporter. Okay, select the path from before. Okay, now here let's do some changes. Okay, where this FBX unit changes to meters. Okay, scroll down until vertex color, change it to liner, and disable each crease. Okay, and here change the name to the thing that we copied to this. Okay, and just export it. If you look at the folder, it will appear real soon. Okay, it will crash Blender for a second. There we go, it appears now. Control, I don't know how to type it, control plus this thing. Okay, so just, and until we're back here. Yeah, file, import PSA, same path. Now select the female, do the same copy name thing, just same 344, export, and now I will already save the change, yeah, or you can just change it as a preset. Okay, yeah, for example emotes, and there you go, this is your preset. You can do this if you don't want to just be copying it all the time. Okay, now you export it, wait for this. Okay, yeah. So making sure I was recording because it didn't show the thing. Okay, now we have them. We can close this now, okay, and we're ready to start. Okay, open the UE. Yeah. Now, as I said on another tutorial that I did, I use my own folder, so I'm just gonna be doing it on my folder. See emotes. I'm gonna make a new folder, stock. Here we're going to be putting everything. First thing is gonna be the music, which is, there we go. Then icons, and after put the FBX. Okay, don't put the PSA. Okay, put the FBX. Now it will show this. Disable import mesh, and here just put ABG, and it will show this, and just click that import. Now wait for this to like import the skeleton. Now do the same thing with the other one. There we go. We got it. We're importing the both of them now, and I'll show you guys what to do. Okay. First thing I'll do is just grab these two, control and click both. Right click, asset actions, bulk IDP property matrix, world to UI. Okay. Save it. There we go. That's good. Now this thing, just double click on it. I'll press streaming, and I also put play when silent. Okay, and you can enable looping on this one. Now for the compression quality, you can actually go to Fmodel and you can check. This one is 60 compression quality, so I'm just gonna put it on 60. Okay, now you save. Let's close this. Okay, first on this tutorial I'm gonna be doing the sound, and then I'm just going to be doing this one. Okay, so right click on this, create a queue, and the name of this queue is going to be this. So right click, copy the name without the extension. So right click on this, and there we go. Now double click. Okay, since it doesn't have an intro, just click this and put looping. Select this and put emote, and select Fortnite emotes with add. Okay, here volume multiplier 1, and put music, and it's gonna be, let me find it, this one. Okay, I'll just put dance. Yeah, my bad, just put dance, and it's gonna be this one. Okay, the one P. Yeah, save it and close this. Now this one, Control C, Control V, go back to Fmodel, this, right click, copy the name without extension, change the name, double click on this, select the output, and change this to the 3B. Okay, now save this. Okay, now it's gonna do the thing this once. Okay, double click on this. Good. Since this is the female, we're going to click this and put ask underscore female. Okay, so select this and save, and do the same for the male, but the male you have to select this one, this one. Okay, select this one, save. There you go. Now first I'm gonna do the female, then I will do the male. So now this, right click, create any montage, and make sure you delete this. Okay, only leave them. There we go. Double click on this. Okay, first thing, this thing, default group, default slot, change to default group full body, and save and restart. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go down, notifies, right click, add notify state, emote, and select this one that says sound. Just move it to the end, add another one, right click, search for holster, and turn this thing on again. Now since we already have the sounds, just click on Fort emote sound, and here put the first one, which is this, and the second one is the 3P, so it's gonna be this. Now save, and if you open it, it's gonna work. Okay, now let's check the blend time. Okay, go into your Fmodel and select, for example, this. You scroll up to the top, you see this thing, blend time 0.2 or mid cubic. Okay, you're gonna put that 0.2, 0.2 or mid cubic, right? Yeah. Okay, save this, and now we will have to check if the emote has a loop. Okay, just to check this, just go at the bottom, and if the emote okay, so basically you open this, yeah, and you put that to the final. Okay, if when the emote finishes it does a change to another move, for example, let me show you. I already have one over here. Okay, let me just delete the loop real quick. Okay, no, not this, here. Okay, this one. If I put this on 50. Okay, so let's say this thing finishes and it starts on a note somewhere that doesn't make sense. Okay, if that does happen, that means you need a loop. Okay, to get a loop you need to find like the perfect frame where when this thing finishes it starts from where it will be like. So if this thing finishes it will have to finish somewhere here, like normally it's like between 20 and 30. Okay, but I trust you, I believe in you, you can do it. Since this one doesn't have a loop, I'm just not gonna add one. Okay, okay, well, let me open it again. Now we finish the female, so now let's do the same thing for the man. Okay, yeah, create an MVP. I'm just gonna speed run this thing a bit. Okay, we got it. Okay, now once we finish this, the last thing we have to do is the Athena. So just go to content, Athena, items, cosmetics, dances, right click, miscellaneous, that asset. And if I'm not wrong, it's because there's emote, yeah, but it's not emote, it's dance. Okay, so just before clicking select, go into here and copy this ID again. Okay, now yes, select and put the name on the ID. Okay, double click this animation. It has to fit the male then the female. Okay, so just put first the male, let me find it here, and then the female. This, okay, now scroll down. Ready to just, you can put it transcendent, and I'm gonna show you how to use custom series anyways, but put in transcendent if you want it to be at the top. Okay, now here you can copy this thing like, okay, right there. Now here the images. Okay, this one, then the large, and the series I will show you how to do it right now. Okay, so for the series, go into cosmetic series, right click here, miscellaneous data asset, put series, select fourth item series definition. You can put whatever, like for example to show. Okay, now the name, potato series. Okay, now the color, you make sure you put one on all of these, like here, like this. Okay, and then you can put whatever color you prefer. Okay, I'm gonna look for, since it's a potato, I'm gonna look for a brown color because yeah, it's funny. I need to find a brown color. Wait, it's like a brown, or yeah, where's the brown color though? Okay, just yeah, something like this. Yeah, so now you can just do it like this. Okay, and then ok, save. Okay, you can delete this. Okay, go back to cosmetics, to your thing, scroll down, change the series to, for example, in my case, is to show. So you just put this, and once we've done that, it's finished. So first, make sure you copy this path and save it for a bit, and now just cook the content. Okay. While this thing is cooking, you can go to the backend. In my case, I'm going to be using Lagwin server. Go into the item shop and put the item. Okay. So like here. Okay, save. There we go. Now it's finished. So go back to go to your project, saved, cooked. Here, copy this file. I forgot to add it, but I will add it to the Go file. Okay, you need U4 pack, and you also need this thing. Okay, so just leave it like this, and I will also add the U4 pack in here. Okay, wait a second. I must have it somewhere here. If not, just do this. Okay, there you go. Okay, you get the U4 pack and extract it, yeah. And now you just put the Fortnite game here. Wait, because I need to copy it again. Right here. Okay. Put it on the U4 pack. Open. You can get rid of metadata, content. I don't use 2D assets. I use my folder and Athena. So I'm just gonna keep these two files. Yeah. Now here I use items. So I'm gonna get rid of everything else. Delete this two. Get rid of this. I use everything but not test series. I'm just gonna leave this. Okay. Music packs, I'll use all of these. Okay. Just as a registry, go into document and copy the name of this and change the name like that. Go back to your pack and open the packer.path. Press any key, and your pack is basically finished. So now just put whatever name you want. Test 77.pack. Go into your Fortnite version. It's the 8.51. Let me find it here. Fortnite. Okay, go into your packs. Paste it here. Okay. Copy this. Well, not copy now. Control C, Control V to a copy of this. Now do that. Okay. You have the same thing now, like the same name. And basically now just open the backend and test. Let me find the backend real quick. Let me open it. Now I'm just gonna launch the game. I'll see you when I'm in lobby. Okay, I just go back to lobby. Okay, these are the packs I already made. Okay, I forgot to shop. You see this right here? That is here. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you something real quick you can do to fix some stuff with the emote. The first thing is gonna be go here, go into basically go back into the sound. Okay, like this one. Okay, then to the 3P. Yeah, but first this one. Scroll down to the bottom, enable this, and just put this to stop all dust, and just save it. Yeah, and now for the 3P, scroll down, concurrency again, enable, and just put let me find it real quick. Okay, I found it. It's emote. Okay, this one. Yes, just save it, and basically what this will do is that it will prevent this emote from will be print the sound of the emote over other sounds. So this is good. Okay, now with this you can just save it. Okay, just build it again, do the same things, and that's pretty much it. Now okay, I just noticed something is that when the emote finished, it stopped doing it, which means that there's something wrong with it, and that's probably gonna be a loop. Okay, so wait, yeah, okay, as you see, it just finished. It should never finish. Okay, so let's fix that real quick. Go into my emote to probably this, yeah. So I have to add a loop. Okay, it's gonna be a loop on 0, but it doesn't matter anyways. Okay, so add a loop on 0, yeah, and put this, select this, and select this. Okay, now let's see. Okay, save, and the same thing here. Okay, loop on 0. Okay, save that. Okay, now just cook the content again, and I'll be back. Okay, when I've done the same thing again. Okay, so I just finished everything. So if we go back into the emote, wait, my select the. Okay, it used to finish at like 2 times. I guess as you see now, it doesn't finish now, and it's gonna be a loop all the time. Okay, so as you see, it works, and we can equip it. Let me get it right here. And you can use this in game if you join with like a friend or something. You can wait. In fact, let's do it. Let me open this real quick. Okay, and I'll wait until I'm in lobby, like I match. Okay, I just got like into a game, as you see, and here are the emotes. So if I try to do this, for example. And also I want to say, if other people have the packs, okay, they can also see them. Okay, so for example, if you're doing a project, and you can maybe make it so the people that you play with, or when you're hosting with friends, they get the packs and they get everything. They can use this type of emotes, yeah. And they will be able to see it and stuff, and I think it's pretty cool. So like, just yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you want more tutorials like this.